In this video, I'm going to show you what kind of movies are available on YouTube TV and how you can access them. YouTube TV doesn't have a dedicated movie section like some streaming services, but it does offer a variety of on-demand movies through its included channels and add-ons. Many of the networks in your YouTube TV subscription, such as AMC, FX, TNT, and USA, often provide recent and classic movies as part of their on-demand library. These movies are typically available for a limited time and rotate based on licensing agreements. Additionally, YouTube TV includes access to premium movie channels like Showtime, Stars, or Epix, which you can add to your subscription for an extra fee. These add-ons feature a wide selection of popular films, including new releases, blockbusters, and exclusive content. To find movies, open the YouTube TV app or website, browse the library section, and look under the On-Demand tab for specific channels or genres. You can also use the search bar to look for a specific movie title. Keep in mind that availability depends on the channels included in your plan and the region you're in. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand what's available on YouTube TV for movies, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.